Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today, we are going to show you how to log in to your personal account. First, head to www.BzzWorldTravel.com. Then from the menu at the right top corner, click the link Sign In. At the login page, please insert your username and your password. The username is your member ID and the password is the same as you have set during the registration process. Next, select whether you are a distributor or a preferred customer. Finally, click the login button. That's great. You have now logged into the system successfully. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to search and book your next vacation with BzzWorld Travel. Until then, have safe journeys. Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today, we are going to show you how to search and book your next vacations on BzzWorld Travel. In the past video, we have already showed you how to log in, so, in today's video, we are going to start directly logged into your account. Here we are, ready to perform a search. If this is your first time here, you can take some time and look around to see all the service we offer at BzzWorld Travel. Now, let's make our first booking. To do so, simply type the name of the location you intend to visit, followed by the date you intend to depart, the date in which you would like to return, the number of rooms and persons, including both adults and children. Now press search. The system will now search our database. Once ready, we'll return a list of available options. From here, you can compare our price to that of other online platforms. From the panel on the left, you can sort your result and apply filtering by biggest percent of savings, price high to low, price low to high, ratings and hotel name. From the panel on your right, you can see the public price, the total of savings, and the total price included of tax. Right, now have a look around and see which hotel suits you best. Once you find one that looks good for you, press Select Room so that you can see all the range of rooms offered. The page view will now expand and show you the available rooms. Here you can also read the hotel's policies and descriptions, the average price per night, saving in dollars, and the total price. Did you see anything interesting? Fantastic! Then, let's go on and make a booking by pressing the book button. That's great! You now know how to search and book your best vacation. You can select your favorite service and submit your query. In our next video, we will show you how to make a payment, but for now, have safe journeys with BzzWorld Travel. Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make a payment for any of the services we offer at BzzWorld Travel. If you are watching this tutorial, you probably already know how to log into your dashboard and how to search and book for the service you require. However, if you don't know or want to know more, you can watch those 2 videos from the selection of tutorials we have in our video gallery. Great, let's start now. Once you have already logged in, successfully found the service you require and finally submitted your request, you will be taken to the payments screen. From here, you can select a previously added credit card, but this applies only if you have already used our services and chosen to save the credit card details on our secure server. Alternatively, you can add a new one. To do so, just type the credit card numbers on this field. If you are using a new card, please also insert the expiration date and the billing country on the required fields. If you are purchasing from the United States, UK or Canada, you will also need to fill the billing postal code field. Finally, please type your name on the required field. Now, click Save if you are adding a new card. The new card will now appear on the list of available cards for payments. If this is the only card you have saved on the system, then it will be already pre-selected as the one to be used for your payments. Please, manually type the required CCV number. You can find those 3 numbers on the back of your card. Now you can enter an email address of anyone you would like to receive a copy of your travel details. Please, read the terms and conditions and the cancellation terms, then, when you are ready, tick the agreement box for both of them. If needed, you can always have a quick look at your booking details. Do this from the summary box situated in the right panel. You are now ready to make your first booking. Go on then, click on the reservation button. Well done, you have successfully made a reservation. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. You are also going to receive a confirmation email. Details of your booking will be sent to the addresses of your choice. For future reference, details of your booking are also saved in your account at BzzWorld Travel. To view them, please make sure that you are logged in, then head to the personal account link. You can find the link at the left side of the screen. You can also view your account history by clicking from the link at the top of the left menu. From there, you will see a list of all your transactions. If you would like to view more details on any transaction, then click View from the link on the right. From here, you can see all the relevant detail for the chosen reservation. Congratulations, you have mastered the payment process and can now easily book any of the services we offer. In the next video we will show you how to share travel saving points. Until then, have safe journeys with BzzWorld Travel. Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to transfer travel saving points to your referrals at BzzWorld Travel. Great, let's start now. Once you have already logged into your dashboard, click on the link Business Account. You will find the link on the left panel. Now fill in the form fields with the required details such as first and last name, email, and the transfer amount. You will also have an option to write a short message to complement the transfer. Once you have finished filling the form, you can press the send button. As soon as the form is processed, our server will send an email to your referral. This email contains the activation code that he or she will have to use in order to redeem the credit. Your referral can click on the Redeem Now button to log into the personal account and redeem the travel savings points you have just transferred. From the business account page, you can also view a list of invitation you have already sent to your referrals, whether the referral has registered as your preferred customer, or if the referral is still pending. If you don't receive feedback from your referral, and you would still like them to register, you can send them a reminder message. To do so, click on the link Send Reminder. Here is an example of a reminder email received by your referral. The email message also contains details of how to register. These details are the link to follow, and the activation code to insert in the page, when the referral will proceed with redeeming the saving points. Once redeemed, the travel saving points are valid for 12 months. That's great, this section is now completed. By now, you should be able to easily transfer and redeem travel saving points. Please remember that, if you are still in doubt, or need any further help with this topic, you are very welcome to contact our support team. You can do so via our website at www.BzzWorldTravel.com. Our customer service team operates from both our Malaysian offices and from our offices in Hong Kong. From the contact page, you can read the time of operation and the telephone numbers for both offices. In addition to calling, you can also send us an email. Just fill and submit the form at our contact page. Our team of experts will be more than happy to assist you with anything you might require. See you very soon with more video tutorials. Until then, have safe journeys with BzzWorld Travel.